Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video we are gonna be doing an unboxing of the Blue Yeti and the C922 combo pack. So this is actually called a streamer pack. So on this side of the box we have the C922 Logitech web camera. That's what it looks like. Here are the product features. It basically records full 1080p at 30 FPS, hyper fast frame rate in HD, and advanced capture software. So yeah, if you guys wanted to, instead of 1080p, you guys can do 720p at 60 FPS, which is also pretty good to have too. So here's the Blue Yeti. This is what it looks like, and the webcam together. Here's the logos, as you guys can see in the top. These are what it's compatible with. It can compatible with basically any software because it uses a micro USB with the Blue Yeti. So compatible with YouTube, Discord, Twitch, XSplit, OBS. There you go. So here's the Blue and Logitech logo. Here's the product feature of the Blue Yeti. So basically the Blue Yeti has 4 different pickup patterns, which we'll go over in the next video. It has onboard audio controls, so you can adjust the mute, the gains, the volume gains, and the way that it picks up the audio using the audio patterns. So yep, that is what the box looks like on the outside. Alright, so we're going to be opening this now. Yeet. Bang, so we have this open up the flaps. Okay, just fold this back up, leave it in the background. Okay, so here's what we have. We have a box that needs to be opened. Oh man. Okay. Bam. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, at the top we have the microphone cable. We have the microphone, the Logitech C922 right out of the box with USB. Put that aside. It also comes with a mini stand, so if you don't want to put it on top of your monitor or like somewhere, you have this stand so you could clip it onto there. We'll look at that later. So let's actually take this out. Bam. This is the best part of the tutorial, guys. If you get this in the box, this is literally what I spent $200 on. This piece of styrofoam right here. It's actually it's good quality. That's why I bought it. Everything else in the box, no, I didn't want it. I'm just joking. Okay. Anyway, we have the Blue Yeti. Oh my god, this is huge. We're gonna slide it out. We have to. Okay, so here it is. Here's the other part of the styrofoam. Okay. So before that, let's just show you guys what comes over here. So we have the Blue Yeti manual, or like instructions, I guess. Uh-oh. You know what? Anyone that watches this can have this XSplit 3-month premium license. Here's a code for you guys. It's valid. Alrighty guys, so for the lucky person that does get the code, congratulations to you. I hope you enjoy the program. So basically what XSplit is, it's another software that you can use to broadcast your stream. So you can use it to broadcast onto YouTube or Twitch or any streaming platform that you would like to stream on. So yeah, it basically gives you 3 months of premium access, which is awesome. That's one of the perks that comes with this bundle. So I decided that since I don't really use XSplit as a streaming or recording software, I decided that I'll just give it away to one of you guys so that you guys can test out the software for yourself and see if you like it. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. And let me know some feedback, any suggestions for the next video. And yeah, thank you guys, and see you guys. C922 Pro Stream webcam. Here's like the setup guide. more important stuff, very important, that I'm gonna put it aside and definitely read that in the future. Not today though. Why register, free support, 20% on discounts, peace of mind. This is from Blue, and some more instructions. We're gonna put it all aside. Now let's get into this bad boy. So actually, we're gonna have to. Ooh, okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bam! Alright guys, so this is the microphone. It is huge. Look at this thing. You guys can see. Now look at the microphone again. Stand, USB cable, Blue Yeti. This is the color, this is black. This is also called a Pro Streamer Pack. Now guys, I'm a pro streamer now. Hey guys, I just said this is for the this is actually for the Blue Yeti, not for the for the webcam. So yeah, this is what you plug into the bottom of the Blue Yeti and from your PC. So at the bottom here, if you wanted to, you could take it off and you can mount it onto a mount so that you could have it on a boom arm. So yeah, okay. Tighten this. So there we go. So this is what it looks like, the Blue Yeti. Here we have a 360 view of the Logitech C922 webcam. Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna actually put together the microphone with the stand, the tripod. So let's see how to take it out. Here we go. Bam. So this is actually not tightened, so let's actually tighten this first of all. Okay. Let's open these up. And all you gotta do is put it right here. Let's take off the plastic. So before we do that, let's take off the plastic. Did not realize there was plastic on here. This is a little bit weird. Okay. What are we doing in ASMR? Here is the camera. If you wanted to, you could clip it onto here, the back, so you could have it up there. Or, if you wanted to, you could also hook it up to the tripod by just turning it. Bam. Here it is. 1, 2, 3. And like so. And here you can adjust it up and down. And you can adjust it like so. Alright guys, so for this, it just comes with one cable. And this is actually, so it's a cable, I forgot what these are called. Hope I can't see it, but there we go. It's like one of those. Okay. We're good. So we're gonna open up one of these right now so we can turn on our Blue Yeti. So guys, in the next video, we're gonna have 2 videos where we're gonna review. One, we're gonna review this with the mic, see how it sounds, and 2, we're gonna be reviewing the microphone. I mean the webcam, so we can see the video quality, and it also has some microphones on it, so we'll be testing that as well. So yeah. Anyway, let's actually plug this in now. So at the bottom. So here, right here, guys, you can actually plug in your headphones so you can listen to the audio that is coming through this. So yeah, we're just gonna plug this in. Alrighty guys, so when you guys plug in the audio for your headphones into the Blue Yeti, it basically allows you to not only hear yourself, but you can hear the Windows background noises. So if I wanted to play a game and I wanted to hear what my audio sounds like, I could just plug in my headphones by just plugging it in, and then go through the settings, one of the audio settings, and set it up as like a speaker so that you can hear the actual sounds. So the sounds will go through your Blue Yeti and it'll come out and go straight to your headphones, which is an awesome feature that I think everyone needs to know about the Blue Yeti. Okay, so we're gonna plug this in. My PC needs dusting, it's kind of left dust on it. There we go, we have it plugged in. Setting up the device. I haven't tightened it properly because it's kind of loose. So guys, if you want to know it's muted, you basically just click here, it's muted. When it's flashing, that means just muted, and when it's just bright red, that means just listening. You could turn up the headphone volume. At the back, you can change the patterns. So these are different patterns. I will go over them in the next video. I have to actually figure out what they're all called, but there are different ways that the microphone picks up audio, which can be like all around, or like from in front. Like, it's pretty cool. And here you can adjust the gain of the microphone. And yeah, that's actually about it. Here's the stand one more time. It's actually pretty heavy, the stand itself. You can detach it from the stand, hook it up at the bottom, put it on your boom arm. Alrighty guys, so one more time, this is a Logitech C922, and this comes in the streamer pack with the Blue Yeti. So this product is called the Blue Yeti and C922 Logitech streamer pack. Here's the box one more time. So yeah, you can pick this up at Best Buy for $140 US or around 170 to 180 Canadian dollars. So yeah guys, I will do more videos on this, so do stay tuned, turn on that post notifications guys, and I just want to thank you guys all for watching. Hope you guys do enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions about these products. I will be answering in the comments section down below. Without further ado guys, have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.